All right, guys, this particular one, Wike don't reply Bode George. He say, old man, go home and sleep. Now, no say, a couple of days ago, about 3 days ago, Bode George come and say, Wike na a political son. He also went on by saying that if not be PDP, we give birth to Wike, we give Wike the room to become the person where he is today, Wike would have been nobody. Now, Wike have responded to Bode George. Let's listen to what Wike have to say.
How can he say so? I read what he said. If an old man has no job, sit down in your house and read their newspapers. Bode George said, PDP made me. PDP gave me national name. PDP, I agree. Party cannot make you. You are the one that will make the party popular to win election. Party. Now I'm coming, sir. Party cannot say we are popular. It is you, individuals, that made the party to be popular. Look at it this way. I agree that PDP made me. Ask Bode George, whom did PDP make in Lagos? It is the party that makes. Whom in Lagos did the party make since 1999? Not one assembly, not one House of Reps, not Senate, not anything. Not anything. Not anything. And then you are talking to me who has campaigned and worked for the party to be the major party in the state and at national level. Meanwhile, in your own state, the party has never been complete.
Normally, these people fight, not be waiting concern me like that. But Bode George than one of the respectable elders that I have or know in my time. So as far as I'm concerned, Bode George na papa, na everything to us. Wike is a nobody and Ojibole. That's all I can say. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.